Hey, tell you about the proper way to unfasten the luggage belt. Insert buckle lock. Press the sockets on both sides and open them sideways. Very simple. Combination lock. Hit the correct code, press the latch and open it both ways. Press the button and set the password you want. Your password is set. Customs code lock. The tape is weighed. Click until the correct password is opened. The location of the password is on the back of it. Look at this. So let's cross A to B. Then set your password. And then we can cross B to A. Be sure to remember and protect your password. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to contact us.